Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how to change favicon in WordPress. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. So right now here is my favicon. Now let's see how to change this favicon. Click on customize and then click on site identity, and here you will find this option site icon. So you have to click on change image and then click on upload files, select files, and I'm going to select my new favicon. Select. You can crop the image. So after that, click on publish. And here we can see my favicon has been changed. So that's it for now. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. Thanks for watching this video.